Introducing vegetables in variety to your little one from the very first taste can help them to grow up learning to love and accept vegetables. You can grow your own little veg lover from the very first taste. I've got 3 tips for how to get your little one to learn to accept and even love vegetables from that very first taste. Veg it, switch it, repeat it. First up, veg it. Little ones are born with a naturally sweet tooth. Introducing more savoury flavours to them in those first few weeks of weaning and throughout can help them learn to accept a whole wide range of flavours. Switch it. Offering variety, particularly a rainbow of different vegetables, can help babies learn to accept new foods. The more variety you offer, the more willing they will be to try new foods as they grow and develop. Repeat it. It can take up to 8 tries before your baby will accept a new food. Don't worry if they pull lots of faces when they're trying new foods. It doesn't mean they don't like them, it just means that it's all super new. So keep going, keep offering those foods. It can take up to 8 times, so don't give up after the first 1 or 2 tries.